Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to add Afterpay to your Wix website. This is a great way to give your customers flexible payment options and increase your online sales. Let's get started. On your Wix dashboard, go to Sales so we can add the payment method Afterpay. Click on Payment and Finances, then click on All Payments. Once we are here, we just need to click on Manage Payment Methods. Next, click on See More Payment Options, and then we will search for Afterpay using the search bar. Then click on View More. If you don't see it, just scroll down until you find Afterpay. Once you see it, click Connect. Here, we will need to enter our merchant ID and secret key to connect Afterpay. Once we have that, just follow the prompts and we will be connected to Afterpay. We can now add it to our payment methods. And that's how we add Afterpay to Wix.